Okay, YouTube fam, these are just some of the ingredients that I'm using today in my most famous fajitas. Please watch the entire video so you'll know the other ingredients that I'm using, okay? You don't want to miss this video. And as always, thanks for watching. After I wash my meat very, very well and seasoned them, you can see the seasonings that I used in the description box on my steaks. Okay, and once I washed them and dried them, I put them on the grill, George Foreman grill, and let them grill for about, they've been grilling for about 5 minutes on one side. I'm going to grill them 5 minutes on this side and they'll be ready. Okay, and then I'm going to start on the chicken. Thanks. Okay, YouTube fam, in order for your vegetables to be tender but not too tender and have a little crunch to them while you're eating your fajitas, I usually put them in a really good pan. I added some, probably a tablespoon of olive oil in here, and I'll just, you know, kind of saute in them. And I'm probably going to saute them probably about 10 minutes. And once they're finished, they'll be ready, okay? Don't cook them too long or they'll be too mushy. Thanks. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm doing the same thing to my, you know, I washed this meat also really well, and I seasoned it very well, and I dried it as best I could. Now I'm cooking them probably about 5 minutes on one side and 5 minutes on the other on my George Foreman grill. And once I get through with this, with all of them, I'll bring you back, okay? And if you don't have a George Foreman grill, please comment below and I'll tell you how to get your chicken just perfect for fajitas, okay? Thanks. Okay, YouTube fam, it's time for the taste test. Everything is ready. These are the toppings that I can choose from to put on my fajita. Don't they look delicious? I have tomatoes, jalapeno peppers, cheese, sour cream in the middle, and lettuce. And I also have some salsa, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, let's get ready for our taste test. Okay, first off, we're gonna say our grace. Okay. I put just about all the toppings on here on mine. Okay, see how delicious it looks. Look at that. Chicken, steak, and all the toppings. Okay, let's do our taste test. That's delicious. That is delicious. And I'm eating chips with mine. But I also cook fries, but I just wanted chips with mine. And I'm drinking my homemade sweet tea. It's delicious. This is delicious. Mm. Fajitas can be a little messy when you're eating them, but don't worry about it. They're delicious. They are delicious. Mm. Mm. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button for me, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. Now before I leave, I want you to look in the left top corner. I have another video, a very popular video here on YouTube that I think you may enjoy. It's really, really popular, okay? And as always, thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube fam, that concludes our video for today. Again, these are just some of the ingredients that I used in my fajitas today. If you watch the entire video, you'll know exactly what ingredients I used, when I used them, and the additional ingredients that I used in my most famous fajitas. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and as always, thanks for watching.